Hey guys, welcome to the another interesting video. Here we are going to explore the Cupid's Matchmaker. So in this you have to use your web exploitation skills against this matchmaking service. So in this case it's a matchmaking service and we have something to read. My dearest hacker, tired of soulless AI algorithms? At Cupid's Matchmaker, real humans read your personality, survey, and personally match you with compatible singles. Our dedicated matchmaking team reviews every submission to ensure you find true love this Valentine's Day. No algorithms, no AI, just genuine human connection. So in this case, you can just access the web app from here in this URL. Let's access that. In this case, there is no AI. So in this case, what they are saying is no algorithm, no AI, just real human matchmakers. So whatever you're giving will be read by these matchmaker. So anyways, these are the informations that we have. We have the number 1, 2, and 3 shows how it works, which will take our survey, share your personality, interest, and what you're looking for in a partner. So our matchmaking team personally reads and analyzes your submission, receive your personalized match within 24 to 48 hours. So in this case, when you put a survey, it will read by some humans and you will get response within 24 to 48 hours. So that's what they're saying in this case. It's about human touch, genuine connection, personalized matches. So when you click take survey, you do have about you, where you can just put your name and your age, so the gender and your dream. So let me give some blah 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 and click the submit survey. Your information is confidential and will only be used for matchmaking purposes. Our team typically reviews submission within a minute, so it is going to review the submission within a minute. So when you send something to it, it will review within a minute. So that's something to note. So this is basically the home page. Let's see if we can get anything other directories using the dib. I'm just using the dib for performing directory enumeration. You can use tools like GoBuster, dirsearch, etc. based on what you like to use. So let the dib run. So it's taking some time. So yeah, I prefer going for a GoBuster in this case. So yeah, let's use the GoBuster dir for directory, minus u for the URL, minus w for the word list. That's it. So now it's running. Let me check. Yep. Okay. So yeah, it seems to be slow. Anyways, let it run. In the meantime, let's take a look on what are the other informations that we get from this page. Thank you. Our matchmaking team will review your submission shortly. So in this case, whatever you're submitting in the survey will get reviewed within a minute. So that's what is written here, right? So in this case, you can see that it's a web vulnerability, right? So what may be the vulnerability in this case? We have to find the flag. Let's view the page source in this case to see if we can find anything suspicious. In this case, we have a survey tab where our surveys goes. Other than that, I could not find anything suspicious. Okay, let us see. Here you can see we have the admin path. Let's view the admin. It's basically changed to login. We were able to gain access to a login page, and we have the username and password option. So let's enter something randomly. Unfortunately, nothing found. Try using some SQLi. Nothing find. Let me try to view the cookies if it has. Just refreshing. Unfortunately, no cookies left. So what I think in this case is we have a survey option which will review our surveys within a minute. So maybe we have to steal the cookies. I think let's do some XSS, which is a cross-site scripting vulnerability. So let's take a survey to check. You can just use tools like Grok, which is great, Grok AI, for getting XSS payloads in this case. So let it load. Let's search for XSS payloads for cookie stealing on our IP. So we have to get the cookie onto our IP, right? So in this case, it is saying that it cannot create for us because that's something not good. Generate for educational purpose. So nothing there. I'm unable to give anything to it. Oh, I think it's not working right now. Open it again. For educational purposes. Let's see if it can generate. Unfortunately, it cannot generate that. It was unable to finish that. Yeah, it is saying that it doesn't give to us. So let's search this plain online. So Gemini is also saying not to provide that. Cookie hijacking, we have something from this Invicti website. Let's search for XSS payloads for cookie. Here in this case, we have some informations. I think we can use this with some editing on it. Let's try that. In this case, I'm going to change something on it. Instead of this, I think we can just give as cookie. We just need to get cookie, right? So let's change this into HTTP, and let's put our TryHackMe IP here. Let's use the ifconfig command, and we have to take the ton zeros IP address here, and we have to put a port number. In this case, I'm just giving 8000 as the port number. Let's try this. Before running that, you have to start our netcat listener, starting it in port 8000, and I'm just putting that everywhere. So all of the fields, I'm just putting that. Click the submit survey option to check if I am able to get anything. Yes, guys, we were able to get that, but in this case, you can see it's about something is giving us back, but it doesn't include the necessary informations that we need. So it's saying unknown, but we were able to connect that, so we are at the right path. So I think instead of this, So we have to change some parameters in this case, I think. So let's use slash cookie instead of that. So it's definitely vulnerable to accesses, and we were able to get a connection. Let's start our journey. Let's start our listener once more. Entering that, entering some random credentials, pasting that everywhere. Submit. Now let's see if we can get anything. So it will respond within a minute, right? So yeah, we were able to get some informations before, but in this case we used question mark cookie equal to before, but now we changed that into slash cookie. Now also we were not able to get any sensitive informations. I think I can put question mark here. There is something wrong. Instead, let's try to use this one in which slash cookie only to get only cookie. Submitting, starting my listener. Let's see if we can get any informations. Yes, guys, we were able to get something, but that doesn't include any sensitive information that we need. So we write correctly, but we have to change the payload. So that's the issue in our case. Instead, I think instead of cookie, let me put C equal. And after that, we have to get that right. So yeah, let's use the plus document dot cookie into it to see if we can get any informations. Let's start this. Let's start our listener. I think you have to provide a plus document dot cookie. Yes, guys. Yeah. We were able to get the flag. So to steal the cookie, you have to put a plus a document dot cookie in that case. So that's what we are done mistaken. But in this case, we get the flag which starts with the THM, but this seems to be not a correct flag, which seems to be a URL encoded content. So what that means is you have to decode that. You can search for URL decoder, and you can just use this website for decoding that. Here is our flag. Right, so I hope this video is informative for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.